Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an ice cream parlor app. It doesn't actually submit orders to an ice cream parlor, it just makes ice creams on the screen using the turtle function inside code.org's app lab. So first things first, we need to discuss how the app works. So there's going to be a label that says your flavor is, and then a drop down that has all the flavors. And then after that, there's going to be an erase button, an ice cream button that makes ice creams, and the control for the turtle. First things first, we need to design after discussing how the app is going to work. Over here we have a label that says your flavor is, and then there's going to be varying text colors, background colors, border radiuses, etc. Next we need the flavors. It's going to be mango, strawberry, chocolate, and orange. So those are the flavors. After that, we are going to be needing the eraser. It's going to be a button. The ID is eraser and text is erase the canvas. After that, we can use an image. It's going to be the image that is going to draw the ice cream. So when they click on it, it works. After that, we are going to have the up, down, left, and right images with the labels on top for each button, because the user is clicking on the labels, not the image itself, because we can't split the image into 4 parts for it to work. So we need labels on the buttons for it to work, because they're clicking the labels, not the image. Next, we're going to code. First things first, we're going to show the turtle. The turtle doesn't look like a turtle, it's just an arrow over here. After that, we're going to be putting on event, label 1 up, which is this one, click, and then function, show, just in case it unshowed, and then move 0 in the X direction and -10 in the Y direction, because it's on this editor. If you go -Y, it goes up, +Y, it goes down. And if you do -X, it goes left, and +X is right. So that's what I have. And then it's going to be the same for down, left, and right, except that it's going to be -10, 10, -10, 10. -10 and 10, the first 2 are in the Y section, and the next 2 are in the X section. Then we are going to do on event, image to draw, which is this one, click. Then we're going to put pen down, pen width 10, and then function ice cream, and then pen up. The new thing in this video is that I'm using a function, which shortens a lot of code, just in case I use it again later. So function ice cream, pen color brown, that's the cone, and then turn left 210 degrees, so it's going to be facing that way. It's going to go that way. And then it's going to move forward 50, turn left 120 degrees, like that, and then it's going to move that way, 50, and then turn left 120. If getText flavors is equal to mango, then the pen color is going to be yellow for mango. Mango ice cream, I should say. Then else if getText flavors is strawberry, then pen color is going to be pink, because strawberry ice cream is pink. Then else if flavors is orange, then pen color is going to be orange. It's pretty obvious that oranges are orange. Were oranges named after the color orange, or was the color orange named after the fruit orange? Who knows? I'll search it up later. And then else, pen color is going to be brown for chocolate, because there's only those 4 options. After that, we're going to move forward 50. Then turn right 90 degrees, so it's facing up. And then we're going to arc right 180 degrees with a radius of 25, because the top length is 50. So we're going to arc right 25, and then turn right 180, so it's facing up again. So next, or I should say last, we have uneven eraser, click. Then pen down, pen color is white, then dot radius 500. So that basically makes the screen completely blank. Now it's time to test the app, although I already know the outcome. Your flavor is, let's say it's mango. Then we're going to move up, down, left, and right. Uh-oh. There is a problem in the app. Now we need to do pen up before we run the app. So just a reminder, this pen up has to be there. Unless you want there to be lines all over the screen where you are moving the turtle. So let's run it again. By the way, I added that problem on purpose. So it's going to be up, down, left, and right. Perfect. Next, we're going to set the flavor to mango, and then click ice cream. It works. Next, we're going to test the strawberry ice cream, the orange ice cream, and the chocolate ice cream. And then after that, let's erase the canvas. So, all is well, everything works. And yeah, that's basically it. This program will be included in the description of the video, just in case you want to remix it and mix it up, make your own, whatever you want to do. If you want to make your own from scratch and you have a problem, you can come back to this video, rewatch it, or look at the part that explains that part of the code, so it may help you when making your own part. I think you should try this out because it's pretty easy and it's pretty fun to do, especially once you see the outcome. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon for notifications too. Bye!